Hi there! Good morning! I am Marcelino El Galido of Besentown Property PH. Welcome to my channel. Today, pag-uusapan natin yung segment na alam mo ba? Alam mo ba na bilang isang property buyer sa Pilipinas, may batas na nagproprotekta sa iyo kapag bumibili ka ng bahay, kondo o lote through installment? Maraming buyers ang natatakot mawalan ng hinulog kapag hindi na kayang ituloy ang bayad. Pero may magandang balita. May protection ka under the law. Today, pag-uusapan natin ang Maseda Law or Republic Act 6552. Alamin natin kung ano ito, sino ang protected, at ano ang rights mo bilang buyer. The Maseda Law, officially known as Republic Act number 6552, is also called the Realty Installment Buyer Protection Act. Ginawa ang batas na ito para protektahan ang mga buyers ng residential properties na bumibili through installments. Kasama dito ang mga sumusunod: house and lot, condominium units, residential lots, and townhouses. Ang purpose ng batas ay maiwasan na basta-basta mawala ang lahat ng hinulog ng buyer kapag nagkaroon ng financial difficulty. Mahalagang malaman, hindi lahat covered ng Maseda Law. Covered lamang ito kapag ang property ay residential at installment basis ang payment. Usually, applicable ito sa in-house financing and direct installment arrangements. Hindi ito usually applicable sa bank financing, pag-ibig housing loans, and commercial properties. Kaya importanteng maintindihan kung anong klaseng financing arrangement meron ka. Kapag nakapagbayad ka na ng at least 2 years of installments, may karapatan ka sa tinatawag na grace period. 1 month grace period for every 1 year period of payment. Example, 3 years paid equals 3 months grace period. Sa panahon na ito, hindi ka pwedeng agad i-cancel. And hindi pwedeng kunin agad ang property. Isa ito sa pinaka-importanting protection ng Maseda Law. Kapag more than 2 years ka nang nagbabayad at na-cancel ang contract mo, entitled ka sa refund. At least 50% ng total payments mo. At kapag lagpas ka ng 5 years sa iyong pagbabayad, meron kang additional na 5% refund every year. Maximum refund can go as high as 90%. Hindi pwedeng verbal lang ang cancellation. Under the law, kailangan, number 1, may notarized notice. Number 2, properly delivered ito sa buyer. And number 3, may required waiting period. Kapag may refund involved, dapat maibigay muna ito bago maging effective ang cancellation. Marami pa ring misconceptions sa Maseda Law. Myth number 1, kapag hindi ka nakabayad, automatic wala na lahat ng hinulog mo. Hindi po palagi. Kung qualified ka under Maseda Law, may rights ka sa refund at sa grace period. Myth number 2, kapag pinirmahan mo ang waiver, wala ka ng rights. Hindi rin ganun kasimple. Statutory rights under the law are still covered and protected. Myth number 3, a Applicable ito sa lahat ng housing loans. Again, usually, hindi covered ang bank financing and Pag-ibig housing loans. Napakahalaga ng Maseda Law dahil pinoprotektahan nito ang ordinaryong Pilipino buyers. It promotes fairness between developers and buyers. At bilang investor o homeowner, mahalagang alam mo ang legal rights mo bago ka bumili ng property. Muli, ako si Marcelino L. Galido, Real Estate Broker and Appraiser ng Best in Town Property PH. Nagpapasalamat sa iyong panonood ng aking channel. Kung gusto mo ng mas maraming real estate tips, laws, and investment insights, like, subscribe, and follow Best in Town Property PH. See you in the next episode ng Alam Mo Ba? Bye!